Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to update Google Chrome in your Android mobile phone. Yes, Google Chrome has a beautiful browser from Google, so we have to update. So Google Chrome is updating day by day. So if you update means you will get a latest option of Google Chrome for the browsing and all purpose. In this video, I would like to share how to update Google Chrome in your Android mobile phone. Let me show how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile, I just open Chrome browser, so I just type any other browsing so I can do whatever I want to get all the details from Google Chrome browser. So here you will find a right hand side 3-dot option. Just hit the button, you will find update Google Chrome. There is newer version is available. So Google Chrome is updating day by day, so they are developing their browser. So you have to just click update. So once you click update, automatically it will move into Google Play Store. So once you click a Google Play Store, automatically Chrome fast secure. So just update this one, just click update. So once you click update, automatically your Chrome browser will be updated within a few seconds. So Google Chrome is updated in latest version of June 22, 2021 to enhance their performance. So you have to update Chrome browser so that you can get a fast browsing detail and secure your Google Chrome browsing status. Yes, my browser is updated. I just open. So once I open, so my fresh Google Chrome, that is Chrome browser, is updated, so I can able to browse. So there is securely enhanced with Google Chrome browser. So just click here the 3 dots, you will get option. So there is no option, so Google Chrome is up to date. So if you didn't get this option, so just go to Play Store and on top right hand side you will find your account details. So just click the account detail, you will find manage apps and devices. Once you click manage app and devices, you will find a managing app. So what are the apps will be available will be displayed over here. So you just click here, so updates available. Once you click updates available, so there are lot of application need to update. So you can find out where is your Google Chrome, so whether it's updated or not. So while you can search, similarly you can get that option. So you can get, because our Chrome browser is updated just now, so I didn't get any notification, so that I can able to get all the details. So this is an easy option. You can update your Chrome browser, as well as if you want to update all your application through Wi-Fi, just click update all, automatically everything will be updated. So you have to wait for the minute to update all the application. So this is a beautiful option Google has provided for us to update a Google Chrome to get all the latest information from the Google Chrome browser. Yes, if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.